Would I be able to abstain from food while breastfeeding? Indeed. Nursing moms can shed pounds securely on the off chance that they follow some fundamental rules. 6 rules for safe eating fewer carbs during lactation. Stand by until your child is 2 months old prior to abstaining from excessive food intake. It's best not to do anything intentionally to get in shape until after the subsequent month. This gives your body sufficient opportunity to effectively set up a sound milk supply that is less inclined to be unfavorably influenced if your caloric admission is confined. Overall, consumes 200 to 500 calories each day, above what you expected to keep up your pre-pregnancy weight, so remember that even without a Get Healthy plan you are consuming additional calories. Breastfeed without limitation. Examination discloses to us that both more successive breastfeeding constantly more than a half-year increments maternal weight reduction. Eat at any rate 1,500 to 1,800 calories each day. While nursing, you ought not burn through under 1,500 to 1,800 calories each day, and most ladies should remain at the high finish of this reach. A few moms will require significantly more than this, however contemplates show that going underneath this number may put supply in danger. Keep weight reduction at under 1.5 pounds each week. Most mothers can securely lose up to 1.5 pounds each week or 6 pounds each a seemingly endless amount of time after the subsequent month and not influence milk supply or child's prosperity. One examination has recommended that momentary weight reduction of 2.2 pounds 1 kilogram each week isn't an issue. In this investigation, mothers slimmed down for 11 days. Reduction the calories progressively. An unexpected drop in calories can lessen milk supply. A few mothers notice this during a disease, in spite of the fact that lack of hydration and additionally drug use could likewise be a factor in decreased milk supply when mother is debilitated. It has been guessed that an unexpected calorie diminishing can make mother's body go into starvation mode and cut superfluous assets, for example, milk creation. Stay away from convenient solution arrangements. Fluid eating regimens, low carb eats less carbs, prevailing fashion consumes less calories, weight reduction prescription, and so forth are not suggested while breastfeeding. What may occur if a nursing mother gets in shape excessively fast? In many occurrences of too fast weight reduction, it isn't the breast milk, synthesis or supply that would endure, however mother's nourishment and additionally well-being. Unnecessary consuming less calories can bring about a diminished milk supply. As indicated by Breastfeeding and Human Lactation, 3rd edition, Reardon, pp. 440, it is noticed that trend or quick get healthy plans ought to be stayed away from in light of the fact that fat-dissolvable natural foreign substances and poisons put away in muscle versus fat are delivered into the milk when caloric admission is seriously confined. I couldn't discover a meaning of seriously confined, however I expect that it is essentially under 1,500 calories each day, which they called a unobtrusive admission. I've remembered data for an investigation regarding this matter beneath. See likewise the information at this site in regards to natural pollutants and breastfeeding. 3 extraordinary tips for weight reduction if you are nursing. Roll out dietary improvements, decline your fat admission to 20 to 25% or less of complete calories, keep your protein consumption up to forestall loss of bulk. Recommended intake of protein for nursing moms is 65 grams per day for the initial a half year and 62 grams per day somewhere in the range of 6 and a year. Spread your calorie consumption out, rather than 2 to 3 dinners, eat 3 more modest suppers with snacks between. Your body will be less inclined to go into starvation mode in the event that you are eating modest quantities for the duration of the day. Exercise reasonably so you consume more fat while keeping fit bulk. Opposition weight preparing is a decent method to construct bulk. An individual with more bulk consumes more calories, in any event, while resting.